I went to a traditional court session in one of the communities where Justice and Women works, and that was a really eye-opening experience, completely different to a court sort of setting in Australia. The traditional court deals with a lot of crime similar to a magistrate's court over here, and it's overseen by the King, who makes the decisions sort of ad hoc. He might consult with the other traditional leaders, but basically members from the community just come along, bring their problems, and when they get the opportunity they get to stand up and have their say. It was really, really interesting. We saw sort of cases that varied from a boy being disciplined through violence at school, through to a theft of a car, right onto a man whose cow had eaten his neighbour's cabbages. So I have a few memories that really stand out strongly from my time in South Africa. I think that they all relate to some of the women that I worked with. Just seeing that the way that the community received some of the staff's, I guess, workshops and involvement in their communities was just amazing. Seeing the real effect that the workshops that Justice and Women conducted actually had on the women that they were working with, and I guess the response to that was something really, really positive. And I guess I won't ever forget those workshops. This experience has strengthened my views on social justice. It surprised me how much a very small, underfunded NGO could actually achieve. The internship affected my career goals in that it strengthened my resolve to pursue development work in the future and to pursue working with people. It definitely encouraged me to see how the law works actually in action on the ground, within small communities, large communities. If you're out there and you're working with people, at least you're doing something, and that really has encouraged me to pursue that in my future work. I think that the Global Internship program is incredibly valuable because not only do you get to visit, say, a new country or a new kind of organisation or a new workplace, but you're actually living and breathing and working in that environment. You're not just seeing it as a tourist. And I think that it was a really, really amazing opportunity because I didn't just get to see nice scenery and take pretty photos. I got to meet people who live there, and I got to work with people who work there every day, and you can't get an experience like that anywhere else.